Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Raw mango chutney mojito. But first a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please wash them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. The longer, the better. And remove Urushiol. And to make Urushiol free raw mango chutney, in case you have missed the video, please scroll or search for the link in the description and watch the video. Set up a chopping board and take a sharp knife and a lemon. Cut out a few slices of the lemon and the two wedges. When done, de-seed or remove the seeds from the lemon wedges or the sides and the lemon slices. When done, set them aside. Take the lemon wedges or the halves and quarter them, both of them. Now, this is the classic mason handle lid straw jar designed to make and serve mojito in. So let's take one and add the quartered pieces of the lemon and some garden fresh green mint leaves. Chop them, that is how I would like to do it, or you can even add whole. Now take a wooden muddler or a wooden stick and squash or crush the lemon quarters and the mint leaves. When done, add some black salt or any salt that you prefer. Add honey or any sweetener like brown sugar, jaggery, palm sugar, cane sugar or pulp or juice of any sweet fruit as per as your taste. When added, add ice cubes again as per as your choice. When done, add raw mango chutney again as per as taste, but don't add too much, and ensure that it reaches the bottom of the jar. And place and position the lemon slices that we had made. And now take any carbonated water, bubbly water or aerated drink or cold drink and pour. Fill the jar. Leave just a little. Why? I'll tell you that later. Now let the infusion occur. the bubbles, the hiss, and the fizz, and add a sprig of mint and a little more of carbonated water. Our garnish is now complete. Set in the straw and the lid, cap it, and mojito is ready. Now serve the mojito to everyone that you know, and as I always say, especially to your enemies too. Enjoy the drink, friends, and enjoy with all.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.